Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How you all andre ela unnaru? Guys, right now I'm in Kochi. Yes, Fort Kochi. So guys, today I'll show you complete video of how they'll do fishing. I think they'll call this Chinese fishing. So complete video. I'll show you each and everything. So guys, if anybody is watching my video first time, please do subscribe so without missing all my videos you can watch. So if anybody want to see this, you can see, like in Fort Kochi. I think we came here. I'll park my bike here, then I'll go inside. I'll show you complete video, like from starting to ending how they'll do fishing. I think this is the first time even I am seeing this. I never seen this. Morning I came here and I took permission to capture this video from this fisherman. So they're really so nice. So I'll show you each and everything from starting to ending how they will do fishing and all here. So we'll go inside. You can see everywhere, like they'll put these kind of things. I don't know what they will call, but I heard it's a Chinese fishing. Okay, see, you can see, right, these guys, they'll pull this from here. I mean, not exactly like there is one mission is there inside. With the help of that, they will pull, and that net is there. No, there you can see, one second. There you can see one net. It will come up. So I'll show you everything. Watch till end. Bangalore. And there are 2 people or 3 people. They are in almost in that water. They are doing swimming and they are making something like, I think they are taking out that that net. Already it's inside, but they are taking out that net. So I think they are cleaning that. You can see that green color. Some what they will call some leaves and all. So they are cleaning all those stuff. So then they will take that net out. You can see my left side, I think. There one net is there. That kind of net, it will come up. So many people are, struggling guys here. I mean, they're working for this. It's not, one person or, see how many people are working for this. Whenever we see fishing and all, we thought it's really easy, but it's not at all, guys. See how much they are working. So once if it is done, we will go near and I'll show you exactly that net part. I will go forward and I'll show you. See how they are pulling. With the help of mission only, I think. Otherwise, I think they kept some stones here. Wow, you can see this. See that net? It's coming up. Okay. These people are going and they are checking, it seems. Bro, can I go there?
He's the boss. You can ask him.
Bro, can I go a little bit there?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank God they gave permission to go here also. Now I'll show you each and everything from very near. Wow. So nice. Guys, here humidity is next level in Kochi. I became completely inside for me. Sambar and rasam coming out. It's damn. See that net, I think almost it came up. So completely see down one guy, he's swimming. I mean, he's doing some work in the water. So he's taking out that net. We'll see how it will come out. So one more guy is helping here. Ooh, one more guy, he went down. Oh my god. These people are seriously. It's their work? No, it's common, I think. See this guy. So he's cleaning, I think, that, that part, that green color, I don't know what they will call. So that waste and all is clean, they are cleaning. I think once if they clean all those waste, then they can take out that net. See, this is very, very big. My See, again one more guy came. See how they are pulling. Oh my god. So yeah, now it's coming up. Okay. Slowly it will come up. Then they will clean all this, waste. Then they will take out. See how big it is. Ba. I think he's the owner for all this, this. Again he also came. This guy is working like anything, see. I came almost very near. I'm holding my keys like if it is fell down, done. Oh, see how they are pulling. Ooh. Ba. This is called hard work. We will think sitting in room or sitting in office working and all, that is not hard. See, again it came. Okay, again it. How they are working. Still they are cleaning, I think. So I think they are cleaning now. You can see all this. It's almost came. So they'll clean all this stuff and they'll take up. Wow. See, again one more guy, he is also doing same. The temperature here is really damn hot, but still these guys are, see how they are working. I think they'll pull out. Yeah, they are taking now out. Oh, I'm really eagerly waiting. It's been almost 10 minutes. From 10 minutes, I'm waiting like anything. Okay. Yeah, finally. Almost then I don't know how many fishes will come. I'm eagerly waiting. This is the first time I'm seeing from very near. Come fast. I think tuna fish, salmon fish, maybe shark also will come. My expectations always will be next level. We'll see what will come. Ooh, I think very small fishes are what. What is this? Full so much waste. I can't even see one fish, guys. Seriously? One fish. At least small fish. What is this? Some iron rod. This is and all waste. Only waste. What is this? One more rod. Only rods coming. Where is the fish? What is this, bro? One small fish came again, he kept in the tub. Where is the fish, man? Where is the fish? Yo, this much hard. Where is the fish? Shit. So sad, guys. Papa. They did so much work. They didn't even find one fish. This guy worked a lot. He swimmed a lot. Papa swimming baja sab bhaiya. Let me show you some fishes here. Actually, before what and all they are selling here, like fishes and all, whatever they do fishing here, same fishes they will sell here. I don't know these fishes names. Vamu. So here, I don't know, orange fish, tuna fish, orange fish. These and all colorful fishes. Red fish, white fish, brown fish, prawns. That's it, guys. Ayo. This red fish, white fish. I didn't even find any fish there. Papa, they did so much work. It's okay, guys. I'll leave from here now. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.